Have you ever heard about a leader that almost no one has ever seen? A man who lived quietly for many years, but then suddenly became the most important person in his country. His name is Mojtaba Khamenei, the new supreme leader of Iran. Let me tell you how it all happened. This story is told in simple English so you can learn English through stories. Many years ago, Iran had a king who did not care about his people. A wise man named Ayatollah Ruhollah Khomeini spoke up against the king. The king soon ran away, and Ruhollah Khomeini became the first supreme leader of Iran. Khomeini was not afraid of big countries. He looked America in the eyes and spoke strongly. This made America and some other countries very unhappy with him. But something surprising happened next. A leader from the country next door, Iraq, started a big war. His name was Saddam Hussein, and his tanks crossed the border into Iran. The war went on for a long time. Many people fought bravely. Then, one day, Iran's president died in a big explosion. A new president named Ali Khamenei took his place. Ali Khamenei had a young son. The boy's name was Mojtaba, and he was only 12 years old. His whole childhood was filled with the noise of war. When Mojtaba turned 17, he joined the army like any other young man. He fought right at the front lines. People say he was just like a normal soldier, even though his father was the leader. Mojtaba and his friends went deep into Iraq. They raised Iran's flag on 30 hills. But after 8 years, both countries decided to stop the fighting. Before we continue, if you enjoy learning English through real historical stories, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We explore fascinating stories from history in clear and simple English. Now, let's continue. Soon after the war, the first supreme leader, Khomeini, passed away. Big scholars met and voted for a new leader. They chose Ali Khamenei, and he became the new supreme leader. Mojtaba stayed in the army for many more years. He wore a soldier's uniform every day. The army loved him and saw him as their true leader. After 10 years, Mojtaba started to study hard to become a scholar too. People began to see him in different clothes. He learned from Iran's best teachers. At the same time, America had problems with Saddam Hussein. They said he had dangerous weapons and attacked Iraq. Later, they said the same thing about Iran. Iran's supreme leader said, "We will never make atomic bombs. It is not allowed in our religion." But some people, including Mojtaba, thought Iran might need to protect itself one day. Mojtaba stayed away from cameras and news. Almost no one saw his face. Only a few old pictures existed. But wait, something surprising happened. Secret papers came out 20 years ago. They said Mojtaba was very powerful. He had strong control over the army and secret services. America and Israel started watching every step he took. They put heavy rules on him. Still, Mojtaba stayed hidden from the world. A few years ago, big attacks hit Iran. In those attacks, Mojtaba lost his father, his mother, his wife, and even his son. 3 generations of his family were gone in just a few days. The whole country was sad and worried. People on the streets started calling Mojtaba's name. They wanted him to stand up and protect Iran. Scholars met again, just like they did many years before. They voted, and they chose Mojtaba as the new supreme leader. His full name is Syed Mojtaba Ali Khamenei. But America's president, Donald Trump, did not like this news. He said he would not accept the choice. He gave many warnings. The scholars did not stop. They stood firm. Now Mojtaba is Iran's new supreme leader. And this is how a quiet boy from a war became a strong warrior leader for his country. What will happen next? Only time will tell. If you enjoyed learning English through this historical story, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. On this channel, you can learn English through fascinating stories from history. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next story.